Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe if you're new in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create categories for your post. Categories is really handy when you are showing your post in your blog page later on, and we will be building it later on. But for now, you just have to go here in the post pane, and under that post pane what you can see is the all post. So if you press here, you can see all your existing posts, and here you can see that add new, so you can create new post. Under that you can see the categories. So maybe you have 18 or 20 posts, but they have only 4 categories of them. So you'd like 4 or 5 each of them to have shown under one category. So I have already 3 categories here. One is unrecognized, the other 2 is this 3, cleaning and painting. But I have decided to create one website for restaurants, and we have posts for healthy food, nutrition, and going vegan. And for healthy food, we have 6 of the posts. For nutrition, we have 6 of the posts as well. For vegan, we have 6 more posts. So in total, 18 posts. And healthy food will go under healthy tag. So here you can use the add new category. So I'm going for new category healthy. Okay. And you can also choose a slug for this one. Also choose a description for this one. So I'm not going to use it as a URL later, so I'm not making any slug now, and I'm not using this description as well. So I add new category. So you see immediately healthy category appears here, and it takes the slug healthy automatically. And items count, there is no item so far under this this category. The rest of the 2 categories I decided to use is nutrition. And again, you just go here, add the new categories, and you see the category comes on your right side. And the last category for our restaurant we're going to use is vegan. And again, if I create, and you see the categories comes here, and it automatically takes a slug, and the count is how many items is under that category already. None of them, because I didn't choose yet. But if you'd like to edit, you go hover each one of them and go here in the edit options. So I decided to edit now because I would like to have a description, just to show you can really have a description. And here you can see in this category all the vegan related posts will be shown. And just pardon me about my spelling, because I'm not good at. So I update it, and we go again in the category section, and now you can see that the description appears here. So anyone, whenever you're not working, let's say your assistant is working in your WordPress dashboard, she can come and see, well, there is category name vegan and what it stands for. It stares there. So it's always better to have a description for each category. So I didn't create it in the beginning so that I can show you later on. And yep, that's all about categories. And hang on with this series because I am creating it with heart. In the end, I'm going to make the entire website for our restaurant using all of these posts, categories, blogs, menus, and it's gonna be very much exciting. Thank you very much, and stay tuned, and remember to subscribe.